My name is Linda Horan. I teach Spanish at Waterloo High School, and this is open house. I teach Spanish 1, 2, and 3 in Waterloo High School. We this year are doing paper copies. Kids all have a binder. They can take the binder with them and bring it into class, or they can store the binder in my room. Either way is fine. If they are absent and if they owe work, things are also posted on Schoology, so they can easily access Schoology. And sometimes if I email them, I will have a screenshot of Schoology that shows them where in Schoology it is. I also encourage the students to use our pride traits: be responsible, be respectful, be engaged and on task while in class, and be safe. So those are the things we encourage. If they are absent, I encourage them to email me. It's probably the easiest one, or the easiest way to do that. And my email is Linda, Linda .Horan, HORAN @waterloocsd.org. So communication is important, even just in general. If they missed one assignment or they did the assignment and they want to make sure it got graded, they want to check their grades, emailing me is the easiest. We do have RTI periods in the middle of the day. I teach largely freshmen, so the freshmen typically have an RTI section 1 and RTI section 2, and then they have lunch. So they can always contact me during the RTI 1 or the RTI 2 and turn in work or ask me about work that they owe. But it's a lot of communication that I encourage them to do. The other thing I just want to mention, we are in Spanish 2 and 3 watching Sylvanas and Lana, which is a show that's on Netflix. We are only watching season 1, and we probably will not get through all of season 1. We do this for about 20 minutes once a week. After we've done everything else, it's in Spanish with English subtitles. A notice was sent out about this earlier this year, so you're aware of that. The only other thing I think I want to mention is any questions, please send me an email and I will be happy to get back to you. I think the kids are getting into the routine. I always tell them I'll see the good in you. I see a lot of them coming in, getting their binders out, putting their phone away, doing the work they should be doing, and I'm excited for this year. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Gracias.